Happy Thursday, everyone. It's Jeff from Mantiques Network. How are you? We're actually having more rain in LA, so in doing some listing today. What we have here is a 1948 Squirt soda cardboard ad with the cow lady taking a sip and a little squirt guy, I guess, just falling in love with her. But it's a great condition, great ad. If you're into any kind of soda advertising or vintage advertising in general, this might be for you. We've had it professionally framed, ready to go. So let me know if you'd like it.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.